Today I am going to discuss Integral Yoga Part 2. In our previous classes, we have discussed how Integral Yoga works and the important components of Integral Yoga. That is basically inner being and outer being. According to Sri Aurobindo, the mind and body is a very important components of things to understand the consciousness. So outer being works in surface level as material world and inner being works in conscious level. So to according to him, to understand these two components, we worked western context and also eastern context or Vedanta philosophy. We put it together and he have proposed a holistic approach to understand the inner being and outer being. So in this context, we'll also discuss some other further part. Sri Aurobindo explained four type of minds evolved from lowest to highest. So what are they? So one is the illumined mind. Illumined means the mind is which is illuminated. That is, it is in lowest part and it doesn't have any kind of consciousness. So illumined mind work in the lowest level, and intuitive mind works in intuition level. Intuitions level means we start understanding some kind of intuitions. At least it is one of the important of towards self-awareness. It is one of the development towards self-awareness. And over mind is works based on cosmic in the sense it start we are understanding about the self and Brahman. We start thinking about that what is the Brahman and what is that this Brahmanda is works like Vedanta philosophy. So and that time we asking some kind of quest ourselves, okay, what is the world and existence. We are thinking about little about existence here in cosmic world. And supermind, last stage of Aurobindo, he explained that supermind, because supermind is the very important objective, like it is the self-actualized mind or it is those who are very near to moksha or samadhi. So we have to understand supermind. And also in our Sufism we also discuss evolved self, like 7 types of self. The same way here supermind works. So understanding this kind of mind means we can apply, if we have a basic knowledge about this kind of minds, we can apply this in therapeutic approach also. In therapy also we can approach if you are aware of these things. So what are the applications? In the fifth components we can discuss. We can use this applications in psychotherapy also. How the mind how works, so we can also apply in psychotherapy. Of course, in interpersonal relationship, it also help. The mind, how supermind works and how illumined mind works. You can also apply in interpersonal relationship as a therapeutic approach, and you can also use it in education in school settings to train the children's mind to understand emotional intelligence, to improve emotional intelligence, because mind is the key structure to improve our emotional intelligence and also problem solving. So most of the education settings we never tried students to improve our mind. So this kind of integral yoga definitely help to therapeutic settings also. So please be careful when you handling this kind of questions or this kind of components for examination purpose, because most of the questions are application based, and if you know the concept then only you answer the questions. So please keep tuned with my playlist and my previous videos, and follow them properly, and watch and share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and that is definitely help me to improve my videos. And also please comment also on my videos with constructive manner. Thank you so much for watching videos.